got overhead resistance that we're coming close to reaching again. 348.98 was yesterday's high. 351.39 is the 50% upside retracement from the December high of last year to the more recent April low. And 358.04 is a 2.5-year rising channel top that is part of the same range of resistance. We've tested it quite a bit over the last few months, and it's held each and every time. It is now coupled with this channel top at 346.57. So having tested 346.57, we are anticipating 3 to 5 day downside at 324.30 roughly. And over the next 2 to 3 weeks, the channel bottom is actually at 303.63. This is a range of resistance that we are expecting as a 2 to 3 week downside objective below 346.57. And so a downside today, we do have kind of a pivot point that should play out into tomorrow and early next week if we happen to violate 335.28. Now, with a heightened volatility framework, we could potentially break 335.28 on an intraday basis and test 324.30. 335.28 is a solid tradable level for aggressive day traders. We could bottom out at 35.28 and rally back to 346.57 quite easily on an intraday basis. If we close below 35.28, expect 24.30 tomorrow, Friday. If we break 35.28 early in the day, we can see 324.30 on an intraday basis, where I would anticipate a daily low. Also know that holding below this 346.57 channel top will keep the 303.63 channel bottom in reach as a 2 to 3 week objective. So closing below 324.30 is certainly possible over the next few days. And if so, we have then a 3 to 5 day secondary swing trade to the downside into the 303.63 to 304.33 area. In other words, if we were to close below 324.30 and you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, you want to be short the market for the following 3 to 5 days into this lower zone of support between 303.63 and 304.33, where we can bottom out quite possibly through the rest of August and into early September. We could round up from here. Now the upside, this 346.57 level coupled with 351.39 to 358.04. If you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, if we close above 346.57, you may exit a short position. Establishing a long position could be done with a settlement tomorrow, Friday, above 358.04. And that is our buy signal through the rest of the year and really into early next. If we close above 358.04, we have a series of buy signals that should then lend toward aggressive upward continuation on a longer term basis, the 520.34 5-year channel top. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.